Tonight, an investigation has been launched into an apartment complex designed for the elderly.
Many who live there are handicapped, and they complained about the living conditions. Today, KCTV5's Abigail James went to see the issues firsthand.
Well, the health department came here to Gabriel Tower just yesterday to inspect a unit after receiving several complaints. They gave us their inspection report today, which confirms most of those complaints. But we also learned this isn't the first time the company that owns this building has had problems.
And they run back and forth from that hole to this hole.
According to Rodney Brown, there's a rat problem in the apartment unit he lives in.
They'd always run across here.
Brown says he's informed management staff of the problem, and despite maintenance stuffing steel wool down the holes and spraying in certain areas, according to Brown, it hasn't been enough.
Take a look at that right there. See that hole there? That's the highway. They run in from here, and God knows what's behind the vanity.
And that's not the only issue.
I got a stove that don't work. I was told by the manager that she doesn't have any stoves to replace this.
And remember how we said this isn't the first time? The apartment Brown lives in is owned by a company called Millennia Housing Management based out of Ohio. Back in 2018, we covered a story over at Englewood Apartments in KCMO. There, renters had issues with black mold, leaking water, and collapsed ceilings. Millennia manages government-subsidized housing nationwide. We did some digging, and there are news reports from across the country detailing multiple problems citing Millennia.
And I don't believe that if the rest of the money that the state or government is paying the Millennium Group, I don't believe that they think that we should be living, or I should be living, under these conditions. I know that's not what they're thinking.
As for Brown, he's just hoping something is done soon.
At the end of the day, I still pay the rent. I didn't sign up for this, and I damn sure didn't sign up for that.
Now, we did reach out to Millennia Housing Management, who sent us a detailed statement saying in part that they are working closely with Mr. Brown on addressing the issues. Abigail James, KCTV5 News.
We asked the health department how many times their Healthy Homes program has gotten complaints about apartments owned by Millennia companies. Since August of 2018, they've been called to 5 separate KC apartment complexes with 22 total complaints.